In this video, I'm going to salvage the steel from a 1999 Ford F350 leaf spring. The steel is 5160. It's resilient, pliable, and high strength, perfect for projects. However, anytime you're working on leaf springs, there is an inherent danger that I want to share with you. The primary thing holding this leaf spring together is this single nut and bolt combination. Remove it, and the springs will come apart. Here's the problem. Those springs are under considerable tension, so you don't want to get your hands anywhere near them. So to accomplish this while keeping my hands clear, we'll use a plasma torch to burn the nut off. I feel comfortable doing this because, in theory, these two clamps here should hold the steel in place when the nut is burned off. So let's check and see if my theory has any validity. You can see if my hands would have been above the springs, I would have probably suffered some severe injuries. When the leaf springs broke loose, the nut turned into a small missile and wound up over here. So, in hindsight, while salvaging my next leaf spring, we'll probably be wearing a face mask. Disclaimer, no Bounder 97s were harmed during the making of this video.